everyone, we've installed seat covers, flooring, laminates and steering cover in the new Nexon. Let's see how Mr. Nevant, who's our client, let's see what his views are. Hello Nevant.
Hey guys, so I came to know about Laxman Auto Stores from a friend who had recently installed some Android screen on his old car, and the experience that was given to me, right from the selection of the seat covers, the different ranges from where I can install, and what is the best option for my color and for my dual tone Nexon, that was provided by Siddharth and Bharat. And along with that, they provided great service in terms of they have their own special lounge where we could sit and enjoy for the time being, for the duration of where the installation was taking place. And this experience was great as compared to some of the other stores. We don't get that over there, but we had a very great time installing and watching our car being modified. Thanks.
Thanks
a
you.
lot. Yeah.
Thank you Nevant. Thank you.